Grab some of this. Welcome back, everybody. It's the weekend after Tet holiday. We just got back in Saigon, and today we're going to go to get the bike washed. The bike is pretty dirty. I don't know if you can see all that dust on there. We're also going to get some ingredients, some vegetables to cook lunch. And we're going to see if what else is available, what else is open. All right, let's go. Hello? Closed. Alright, bike wash is closed. Let's try the next stop. See if the grocery store is open. Grab some of this. Let's grab this one here. It's about 66K. Got a little bit of salmon. Now it's time to get back to the house. Actually, we need to get over here to the other store to see if they have our vegetables that we need. Oh, our veggie store is closed. Gotta go back down to the back bus and damn. All right. We're gonna grab some of this bok choy as well. Many types of vegetables. But the one we need is either spinach or we can make do with this bok choy. Or is it either iceberg or the cabbage? Wide selection of items. I'm not gonna go down that aisle. We can take you guys down here though. I can see all the types of noodles they have. Too many types of noodles. A little maze getting through here. Let me squeeze through packs here. So walking away. Hello. Con này là bao nhiêu?
55.
Not my love. Now it's time to get on back to the crib. Mission complete. We were able to find a bike wash. My guy nearby has the spot. We'll leave the bike here and come back later. There is the shadow of a man coming home from accomplishing something.